Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to reach the drain pumps here in the depths, down at the bottom of the crystal descent and all that good stuff. So we're in the lower deeps, and presumably you have completed killing the Watcher. But you might notice that your temporary building structure of these little wooden platforms, there's a limit to how far you can build before they just fall apart. So the thing is that they don't really tell you that well in the game is that you can just build certain stuff like flooring specifically wherever you want without actually being inside of a base. So you can cross this chasm to get to the drain pumps by just building a floor. And then it's convenient because when you do so, you might notice it actually builds a foundation all the way up through the water up to the line where you build the floor. So even if it gets destroyed by goblins, you'll still be able to walk across this. And a lot of people, from what I understand, like to build a huge base here because all of this water just provides you with a big, massive, flat open space. And if you build up a couple stories up towards the ceiling, you'll get bats spawning as a great way to farm bat guano to build additional garden beds. So I hope you found that helpful. This has been how to reach the drain pumps and cross the bridge inside of Moria, or well, return to Moria. It can be a little confusing because the info on some of the building is a lot. There's a lot of it, and it's not always very clear. So that'll be it. Have a good one, everybody, and I'll catch you next time.